Hi everyone and welcome to another video. My name is Dr. Surakshith Battina, and in this one I'm going to talk to you a little bit about male sexual dysfunction and how it is all intertwined into male infertility. So it's going to be a big one, guys, so stay tuned. Male sexual dysfunction can be broadly classified into three parts. The first one being decreased libido or the lack of arousal, where basically the guy says, hey, I don't want to have sex at all. Low libido. The second part is where the guys have erectile dysfunction, where he has the mood, he wants to have sex, but unfortunately he's unable to get it up. That's probably the most important one we are looking at. And the last one being failure to climax. It does happen, guys, and those are called as ejaculatory disorders, and they can have a big effect on the guy's mental health. Imagine having such wide range of problems for something which is so basic like food, shelter. Sex is actually a part of life, and if you're unable to have sex, then that definitely means there is some issue over there. There is so little information which is available to us. So what's the problem? Okay, the main problem is sex education or probably the lack thereof. Do parents give their children sex education after they reach a particular age? Well, then again, do parents really know what kind of education to give their children? Or is it the duty of the teachers to give this kind of sex education? Then again, what makes the teachers more experienced than the parents? I think it's the job of the doctors to educate the parents and the teachers of children who are somewhere between the age of 10 to 12 years. Although I really don't have the right answer, I think this should be the way going forward. Or you can always follow me on Instagram. When you look at male sexual dysfunction, it has more of a psychological aspect to it than the actual physical aspect. You can also divide this into two parts, the performance anxiety group and also the body image group. So the guys who have performance anxiety, they are going to think that they're going to be bad at having sex, even though they never had sex. This is probably because of the things which have been fed to them through the porn industry. The other group of people have body image problems. The main body image problem what a guy has is that he thinks he has a small penis. In fact, 80% of guys around think they have a small penis. It's again unfortunate because the porn industry has given such high expectations, not just for women but also for men. So a lot of these body image problems, a lot of these performance anxieties, all of them come due to the porn industry. But does this mean the porn industry is bad? It's not bad. You need to understand that this is also an industry just like the movie industry. You can't have like 20 Tom Cruises, can you? Tom Cruises, is that the right word? Tom Cruises, I don't know. You're like, okay, all this is fine, doctor. I don't have any performance anxiety. I am good at bed. I don't have any lack of libido. I have enough sleep. I have no problems at all. But when do I have to visit a doctor? Guys, unless you have a problem, really don't have to visit. The day when you feel you're not happy sexually, you're not gratified sexually, or when your partner feels she's not gratified sexually, I think that is the time you require treatment. Just before I end this video, I want to probably break a few myths which are around male sexual dysfunction. Is over masturbation bad? There is no scientific data to show if excessive masturbation is going to be a problem. But when masturbation comes to a point of affecting your daily life or it affects your relationship, that's when it's becoming a problem. Alright, myth number 2. Does excessive masturbation reduce your gains? Again, there are no studies on this, but a lot of athletes say that when they have a restriction of masturbation or having intercourse for a period of 3 months, they have shown that they have better performance either in the gym or at whatever sport they are doing. Then again, no studies to back it up. Can you increase the penis size? Sorry guys, unfortunately there is no scientific way of how the penis size can be increased. However, there have been certain things which people have injected in the periphery of the penis to just increase the girth, but the length, you're stuck with what you have, guys. What causes low libido? Most of the time it's because of low levels of testosterone in the body. Low level of testosterone can be because of several factors, but there are ways to increase them. If you want me to talk about how you can increase your libido levels, that is, increase your testosterone levels naturally, do let me know in the comments down below. There are also certain medications, like the medications you might take for blood pressure and anxiety and depression. All of them can cause lower libido. So if you are already on certain medications like that, you can always talk to your doctor and try to adjust the doses so that your libido increases. A lot of men who are suffering from chronic diseases like heart disease and high blood pressures, patients who have diabetes, and also men who are having obesity, all of them suffer from low libido. Smoking also has a very big role in lack of libido. So if you are having sexual dysfunction, kicking the butt really makes a difference. Men who are suffering from erectile dysfunction can definitely do well with sildenafil or tadalafil. These are over-the-counter medications which you can get. If you want me to talk more on that, do let me know in the comments down below. But otherwise, if these do not work, they can get intracavernosous injections, which have also shown very, very good beneficial effects for men who are suffering from erectile dysfunction. And if everything else fails, and if you're above the age of 50 years, you can try penile prosthetics. What about the men who are suffering from anejaculation? That is, they are not able to produce a sample. They're not able to ejaculate. These men can definitely try using vibrators, which can help them ejaculate, or if that does not work, they should go in for electro ejaculation. So in our minds, we conceive that sex should at least last for 5 minutes. So let's just say anything which is lesser than 1 minute, we would say it's premature ejaculation. Men who are suffering from premature ejaculation is probably the easiest one to treat out of all. They can try the squeeze technique. Just before they have the urge to ejaculate, they can just pull out the penis and then squeeze the tip. The second change what they can do is change the sex positions. If they feel in one particular position they are ejaculating much earlier, definitely trying a different style or a different position might help. And probably the most important step to understand is that just stop. Probably try a different foreplay before you go ahead and insert again. Well, foreplay always does not have to be before sex, it can also be during. So something you can try. I had some personal tips from me to you, heart to heart, because we're cool like that. Don't skip leg day, guys. Don't skip leg day. Stay off porn as much as possible, because it's stay off porn. Kegels is not just for women, guys. Kegels is for men as well. It definitely helps for men having premature ejaculation, so make sure you do your Kegels. 4 to 8 a.m. guys, best time to have sex, okay? You're welcome. Studies have shown that talking to attractive women for 4 to 5 minutes definitely helps boost the testosterone, so it's only talking, guys, okay? And of course, wear boxers, wear something loose. Don't wear those tight underwears which are going to make your testes be in a very warm environment. Make sure you give it enough aeration, guys. It's another very, very important tip. I'm sorry this video is all over the place, but hey, I hope I was able to deliver some information for you guys. Definitely the next one is going to be much more organized, but for now, I think this should do. I hope you guys have found this video useful. I have definitely gained a lot of information while researching for that. If you want more content like this, do subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a thumbs up on this video, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram, guys. So until the next one, see you and have a great day. Can I increase my penis size? There is absolutely no way you are going to increase your penis size, okay? So you're stuck with that. So hold on to what you have.